Hello everyone, my name is Adarsh. Today I am going to share one important thing about Environment Day. So without wasting any time, I would like to say one thing that why we are celebrating this Environment Day. We are celebrating this Environment Day, we are watering the trees, we are planting the trees only for one day. Why we are not following the same step for whole the year? So I would like to tell you that when you wake up in the morning, you should plant one tree and water one tree. If you do this every day, then it will become a habit and you will not forget to water a tree. So this was one tip. This was one tip according to me, that you should improve the environment. Now my topic is how to reduce pollution, or how can I save my environment. So first of all, the problem is garbage. First of all, I would like to give one tip that separate the garbage into biodegradable garbage and non-biodegradable garbage. The problem with biodegradable garbage is nothing. The thing is that you should dispose it in your garden. Here, as you can see, I have disposed it 1 month earlier. It has become very. It has planted many trees. As you can see, nutritious trees have been grown. So the problem with the biodegradable garbage has been solved. You should dispose it in the garden. And the next thing is about the non-biodegradable waste. The non-biodegradable waste should be followed by 4 steps. That is reduce, refuse, reuse and recycle. Reduce the use of plastics, refuse the plastics, reuse the paper or anything that can be reused, reuse the paper, and the most important thing is recycle the plastic. You should recycle. If you follow these 4 steps, then pollution will automatically be controlled. Now the second problem is air pollution. How can we control air pollution? The first of all, if you are traveling a less distance, then you should travel by foot or by using a bicycle. The first of all, you will be exercised at least one day, and the second thing is you can control air pollution. And the most important thing is when you are going to buy a vehicle, then you should buy an electrical bike. The electrical bike had been launched in the market. If you can't afford an electrical bike, then you can make an electrical bike in home. First of all, you will get a knowledge how to make an electrical bike, and if you don't know how to make an electrical bike, you can search in YouTube. It will give very information about how to make an electrical bike. And last one extra point, I am going to tell you that why we are sitting in home. Everyone is sitting in home. Why we are sitting in home? Because of COVID-19 lockdown. Why is this lockdown? Because we have neglected such a simple thing, not washing our hands. We have neglected such a simple thing, not washing our hands. We are facing that much crisis that we are in lockdown. If we neglect such a big resource, that is environment, then think.
Hi, I'm Anusha from Ideal Global School, studying in 9th grade. Today, I would like to speak about 5 ways to save our environment. Every year, we talk about environment and about its pollution. But this year, let's know and follow some ways to save our environment. Support better brands. It's a cruel process. Showing your support to the companies that don't use animals for testing can end it for good. It's easy to find cruelty-free and environmental responsible brands. Decrease meat consumption. Rising livestock produces greenhouse gases into environment. According to the United Nations report, cattle rearing generates global warming greenhouse gases as measured in carbon dioxide as well. Carbon dioxide equivalent. Save energy. Set your thermostats as few degrees lower or your air conditioner a few higher. You won't probably notice any change, but environment will. Use energy efficient bulb. Try to switch your bulb to energy efficient CFL or LED bulbs. They can be more expensive, but it's worth it because they can last up 5 times longer than a regular light bulb. Buy less or borrow. Only buy what needed. In a consumer culture, it's easy to fall in overbuying habits. If you purchase what's necessary, you will not only be going but also saving green. Thank you. Happy Environment Day.
Hello everyone. Today I am here in front of you to talk about how to save our environment. So, our environment is under the distress and it is not a hidden fact anymore. The threat it is facing new it's alarming and it is our duty to save our environment before it gets too late. As the inhabitant of this earth, everyone must and should together come to do their bit for to save the environment. There are the 6 simple steps that you can do to save our environment. First one is we have to reuse, reduce and recycle. Second, grow more trees as much as you can. Third one, say no to plastics. Fourth one, save electricity and save water. Fifth one, save natural resources. Sixth one, avoid using petrol and diesel much more and reduce the pollution. And in the addition to the increase of the carbon dioxide, the atmosphere is providing the most harmful gases to the environment as it's damaging the trees and etc. Further, all the types of pollution we must and should have to decrease at any cost. Most importantly, plant trees many more as much as you can. The occurrence of the natural calamities and increasing day by day, which is resulting in loss of lives. Every year we are losing our planet. The young age to be responsible for the environment and work for to save it for a better and greener future. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Myself Jayashree, today I am here for expressing my views on the World Environment Day. Now more than ever, we are confronted with the fragility of life, our connection with the nature and our planet. Nature is showing us that humankind is on the verge of breaking down. 1 million plants and animal species are likely to disappear soon. We rely on our nature for our food, for our energy and everything we need. We can fix this, but only if we act now. It's time for our nature. It's time to ensure that we have a future. So wake up this World Environment Day. Tell the world why it's time for our nature. We will not back down until we see a real and lasting change that supports this beautiful world we call home. In this pandemic, we can't go out, but we can do these things at home to conserve the natural resources. Firstly, we can avoid the use of plastic. Then we can conserve the water and electricity. Then we can support the environmental friendly practices and then reuse and recycle the waste material to conserve the natural resources. These things will lead us to a great impact. So tag your friends, family, global leaders and the government. Invite them to be a part of this solution. We need the planet more than the planet needs us. Your planet, my planet. It's time for our nature. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.
Respected President Sir, Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. Myself Sanidhya from 8th Purple today in front of you to say you how we can save our environment. There are many ways to save our environment like waste management, 4 R's and save trees. But the most important is the save trees. What do the trees do to save our environment? Trees give us many things to human life and environment like oxygen, food, shelter and paper and furniture and many more like this. And it clears the air and stop the soil erosion, which is very important for the environment, which saves the environment from pollution and global warming. Nowadays, humans are cutting very trees because of their human needs. Now we have to save trees, but how? It is possible by following a simple rule. If someone cut one tree, then he should plant 2 trees because it will happen like this. If one tree cut, the 2 trees will grow and the number of trees in the environment will increase and the pollution decreases in the environment. In this way, we can save our environment for years and years. On this International Environment Day, I wish you very happy Environment Day. Thank you one and all for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I am grateful for my school for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Good morning everyone and Assalamu alaikum. This is me Umma Talia from class 10 standard and today I am here to give you the information all about environment. But as our topic is that how to save environment. But also my question is that why we need to save environment? What are the importance of having environment? Let's see. First, what is environment? Environment is all about our surrounding. It includes air, water, plants, animals, all the living things and non-living things. Now, why we need environment? What are the importance of having environment? The environment plays an important role for the healthy living of human beings, and it matters because it is the only home of human beings for surviving, and no one can exist without environment. It provides us food, water, shelter, oxygen, etc. Therefore, having environment is very important for us. However, our environment is getting worse day by day because of overusing of natural resources, burning of plastic, burning of waste material, deforestation, exhaust gases released by all vehicles, etc. Therefore, this polluted environment can cause several dangerous diseases. And my opinion is that if you can't clean the environment, then don't make it dirty. Now, our main thing, how to save our environment. Grow more and more trees because it purifies the air, provides us oxygen and help in million other ways. Therefore, think green, keep clean, and don't throw any type of waste and garbage in your surrounding. It can be harmful for us and also other creatures too. And also don't use plastic bags. If you are using it, reuse it, recycle it, and try to use more and more disposable bags. And walk more, less drive, and conserve water, conserve electricity, conserve natural resources. And this little step can end up being the biggest step and change of our life. Let's make the world better place by joining our hands together. Together we can, and we will make the difference. You can do something now or never. Let's save our earth forever. Save earth, save environment. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Muzammil. Happy Environment Day to all, and the topic for this Environment Day is how we can save the environment. Early 400-500 years ago, there was nothing like to save or protect the environment. Why there was nothing like to save or protect the environment? The reason you all know, as day by day the increasing pollution, deforestation, this is a never-ending human tragedy that is responsible for causing all types of environmental issues. These issues causes global warming, soil erosion, as well as we are not going to see many more things, just like wild animals, wild forests, some of the foods, and the most important thing is our life. Yes, it is more dangerous to our life if we do not take care of our environment. So, as you have understood, our environment is... So my kindly request for all is to please take care of your environment as much you can. But the question is how we can save the environment. Firstly, reduce the usage of plastics, save water as much you can, don't pollute your surroundings, reduce the usage of fossil fuels, use polythene bags. There are many things that we can, by which we can save our environment. But the most important thing that is industries. The industries release undesirable substance that mix into air or water and pollute them. So report to the government which industries pollute more. So as a thought, if we save the environment saves us. A very thank you to everyone. Thank you.
Good evening everybody. As we all know that tomorrow is World Environmental Day. This day was celebrated first in the year 1974 towards the awareness of global warming, or ozone layer, depletion and desertification. So I have drawn an image here of the earth model, and I also planted a tree. I request all my friends to plant a tree like this, and plants are helpful for us directly or indirectly. So because trees gives us rain, and rain helps the plants to make the food. Food is essential for all living beings. I also request my friends to plant a tree in their homes. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Halima Fatima from class 9th standard, Ideal Global School, Baswa Kalyan. I hope that everyone is healthy and safe and taking precautions of COVID-19. I think that it's my pleasure to have a chance to interact with you guys in this pandemic situation. Wishing you all a very happy Environment Day. What is environment? Environment is the surrounding in which we live. It is the source of our life. The need of human being for food, fodder, shelter and other things depends on the environment around us. Human society is playing a vital role in regenerating the natural resources, which in turn negatively affect the lives on this planet. However, the natural resources are getting dramatically affected. Some of the environmental problems are rapidly growing in the world population, such as deteriorating of natural resources, diminishing of forest and wetland areas, shortage of drinking water, erosion of soil, loss of biodiversity, and rise in air and water pollution. We all human beings share a common home, that is our earth. So it's our responsibility and duty to protect the earth and save the environment. Reduce and reuse and the recycle of the essential things. Trees are vital to all. So just take a time to plant a tree so that it can be beneficial in the future. Here are some steps by which we can save our environment. Switch off anything that uses electricity when not in use. Avoid using disposable items. Don't waste food. Plant a tree or a garden. Avoid using pesticides, herbicides or any other man-made chemical fertilizer. Make your yard friendly to wildlife. सूरज की किरणें पड़ती है जब धरती पर, तभी होता है सवेरा. पेड़ लगाओ, धरती बचाओ, तभी कर पाओगे इस पर बसेरा. I want to thank the Ideal team who has given us this opportunity to share our views on the Environment Day. So, सांसें हो रही है कम, आओ पेड़ लगाए हम. Thank you everyone.
Hi everyone, I am very glad to say some words regarding the topic. How can I save our environment? Yes, our environment consists of natural resources like soil, water and air. Animals and plants are also the part of our environment. Fresh air and pure water, fertile soil, clean surroundings are the sign of good and healthy environment. Necessary tips should be taken by all of us so that environment can be saved. We need to plant more and more trees so that air quality improves. Both paper and plastic should be strictly recycled. We all should maintain our environment clean. There should be ban on letting industrial waste water into oceans. All such steps will be help to save environment. Loss of animals and trees are getting extinct due to deforestation and increasing human population. We have to keep our environment safe and clean. At last, I want to say few points regarding the topic which help to save environment. Save water. Water is very essential for life. Close the tap when not in use. Save electricity. Switch off the light and fan when not in use. Say no the plastic bags. Use cotton bags.
I start by taking the name of Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who is very beneficial and merciful. Hey everyone, Assalamu Alaikum. This is Bibi Mariam from Ideal Global School studying in 10th standard. So, you know what guys, India is most polluted country. There are 20 most polluted states are there in the whole world. Out of 20, 15 most polluted states are there in our India and other 5 are there in Pakistan, Bangladesh and China. India is polluted because of many types of pollution and that pollution results in global warming. So, global warming. The average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere is gradually increasing due to some harmful gases that release from factories and due to some human activities. But we can save our environment by taking some small steps that are minimize paper, use public transport and for shorter distance go by walk or else use cycle. Avoid furnace bulb. Instead use CFL and LED bulbs. Use cardboard matchstick because lighters are mainly petroleum. Use renewable energy sources that are solar energy, wind energy, hydropower energy and many more. Recycle your old phones because the batteries will release toxic waste into earth if they are thrown out. Use 3 R's that are reuse, reduce, recycle. Plant more and more trees. Say no to plastic. Instead use cloth bag. Take initiative and take part in Van Mahotsav activity. Spread awareness, motivate others. I lastly conclude with some lines If we won't save our environment, like this coronavirus, other virus will also come. And even our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has also said that cleanliness is half of faith. So I lastly thanks to Almighty Allah.
Good evening, happy Environment Day. Today I am going to tell you about how to save environment. The meaning of environment is all those natural things which surround us is called environment, and it is our duty to save it. So how we can save environment? We can save environment by saving water, because water is one of the basic need of all human beings. If water is not safe, if water is polluted, then it is not easy for us to live. We don't go to another planet for living because there is no water. So we live on earth. If here only the water is not pure, it is not good, then how it is possible to live on earth? So we should save water, we should not pollute it. And the next is trees. This trees gives us oxygen and take carbon dioxide from us. And if these trees are not there, then the level of carbon dioxide is increased in air and it is not easy for us to respire. So we should save trees. For saving trees, everyone should plant at least one tree, and we should not throw papers. We should use papers, we should give them for recycle, because that papers that we use comes from the trees only. By saving papers we can save trees. So save trees. Then the next is air pollution. We should not do air pollution, because if our air is polluted, then our environment is not safe, because the oxygen we take comes from the air only, and if air is not safe, then it is not easy for us to respire. All the living organisms will die. So we should not pollute the air. We should stop the use of vehicles, not totally stop. How much it is possible to stop?
Hello everyone, my name is Vishal and I want to say a few words on Environment Day. I wish happy Environment Day to every human being, plants, animals and every small organism living in the world. I know that nowadays people are suffering lots of problems in their life because of coronavirus. But being a man, it is our duty is to protect and help the nature. If you remember that from last 20 years we are creating lots of destroying nature for our greedy fulfillment. We are not thinking about our grandchildren, how is going to be their future. Whether they would see the plants, animals or green grasslands which we are seeing today. If we continue the process of pollution like this only, then one day we have to show only the pictures of plants, animals or birds to our grandchildren. Like, see my grandson, this is the picture of tiger. Once upon a time it is our national animal. And this is the picture of peacock, which is our national bird. And this is the picture of elephant. So we have to shame on us that being an intelligent living being, we are not understanding to other living beings. So I think that's why nature has become now anger and it is showing now its power in the way of coronavirus. So I think now nature has given us some little bit chance or time to correct our ways, what we have done in past. So I request to everyone, spend some little bit time with nature and think about it. And don't think that spending few minutes in nature is waste of your future. You should remember that lots of great people have spent their precious time in nature and they made their great future, like Sir Isaac Newton, William Shakespeare, Bhagwan Buddha and Louis Pasteur. So I think we also do like that one. And happy Environment Day. Thank you.
This is a typical image. In the right part, we can see the world that all of us would like to live in. It is beautiful world where the environment is not damaged by a man. In the left half, we can see the world with a different reality. That is the world where we live in. It is not a good and beautiful world because it is full of trash and pollution, and if we do nothing, it will get worse than it is now. And you, which world would you like to live in? Of course, the right part everyone want to live in. Please save environment. We need to plant more and more trees, so air quality should be improved. Use of plastic should be minimized. Both paper and plastic should be strictly recycled. We all should maintain our environment clean. I know कि एक के करने से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but एक एक के करने से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है.
And good morning to one and all. Today I am telling the short information about environment. And environment is the natural world that surrounds us. It is very important to keep it clean, in order to the healthy and peaceful life. However, the environment pollution has become one of the biggest threats of earth. Environmental pollution is one of the facing problem of our modern world. A clean environment is necessary to live a peaceful and healthy life, but our environment is getting dirty day by day because of some negligence of human beings. Our environment is equal to the mother. It is our duty to protect the environment, but today our mother, example, our environment is dangerous situation. Third, there has been massive technological advancement. In these recent days, it has also invited negative effects to the environment by doing the simple like planting a tree. We shall be the making the world a better place, and sure we shall and always live to be proud of our achievements. And once again, happy Environment Day to one and all. And thank you one and all.
Hi, myself Altamas. Happy Environment Day. I am here to tell you about how we can save environment. This day is especially celebrated to know and solve all the environmental issues. Issues like pollution, water deforestation, global warming and soil erosion. So we all have to stop it. We can grow plants and less usage of water. As air pollution causes breathing problem to humans, we can't get fresh air, and water is polluting day by day because of human activities. So kindly save the environment.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Samia from Ideal Global School. Today I am going to give a speech on Mother Earth. We all are human beings, no matter where we live in this world. We all are residents on this one planet, our Mother Earth. The time is now for us to carry her as she has carried and provided us through. It's time for us as a human beings to give in return. The direction towards our development and hunger is very soon going to destroy Earth and our planet. We cannot stop the development, but we can change its direction. We can change our ways. To make this happen, to make humanity and Mother Earth fine again, we must unite in a universal one. We must put politics, religion, economy and envy away together with our ego. Then each and every one of us will be able to go inside ourselves and find a universal force called love. Time has come to stand together in one last universal battle, a battle without guns and weapons, a battle without power as a goal, a battle without rage, hate and killing. In this battle, our only weapon is love. So let's make our mother's heartbeat to be able to continue. Thank you. Hello, myself Faizanam from 9th standard, daughter of MD Jamaluddin. Environment is the surrounding in which we live. It is the source of our life. Our life is depend to the environment. Good or bad qualities of social life depends on the qualities of our natural environment. Increasing depend of technology and industries in the modern time impact the nature. The increasing invention of new technologies has changed the interaction of people with the environment, which permits more population to grow. The modern technology has immense power which has allotted the whole environment in the unimagined way. Best ways to protect our environment. We need to start with the proper handling of waste materials. To do so, one must begin with recycling and proper disposal of water items. We need to save natural resources such as water, energy, natural gas, iron, coal, etc. Save environment, save.
Respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends, very warm good evening to all of you. This is Shreya studying in 8th grade. Today I would like to tell my thoughts about how to save environment. Our environment consists of natural resources like soil, water, air, etc. Plants and animals are also the part of our environment. Due to increasing human population, our environment is getting affected adversely. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are causing the damage to our environment. Time has come that we have to take necessary steps for saving our environment. We have to find environment-friendly technologies in all accessory lives. For example, instead of using vehicles which run on petrol or diesel, we can use vehicles which run on electricity. Thus, we can avoid air pollution. Wastewater treatment plants should be brought in use so that wastewater can be reused instead of letting into sea or river. Plastic and paper should be strictly recycled so that garbage dumps can be reused. We should stop soil, air and water pollution so that our environment stays clean and healthy. We should plant more and more trees.
Happy International Environment Day to all. Nowadays, our environment is declining day by day and we need to save our environment for living a fruitful life. So, how can we save our environment? Today I am going to share with you. We need to start with recycling of waste materials, planting trees, saving water, using limited means and etc. So, what is recycling of waste materials? Recycling of waste materials is nothing but putting the dry waste to recycle. Plastic is one of the dry waste, but it is very harmful for our environment and it is one of the biggest reasons for declining of our environment. So, we should avoid as much as plastic as we can. We can't avoid all over the plastic, but plastic is our daily need. So, we have to use it, but in a limited manner. We have to use it twice or thrice and put it for recycling. Not use it once and throw it anywhere because it is non-biodegradable waste. If we throw it anywhere, then it is very harmful. Paper it is also a dry waste, but it is made from plants. If plants will cut down, then carbon dioxide will increase, oxygen will decrease. Carbon dioxide will increase, then global warming will take place. So don't cut it. Save paper as much as you can. We should plant trees in our cities as much as we have availability of water, because water is also a very useful resource and we have to conserve it, because water level is also decreasing in our environment. So save water also. And the way to limit our needs, then production will be less. If production will be less, then automatically pollution will be less. Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, all the pollution will automatically be less. So limit your needs, plant trees, save water, save our environment, because environment is very precious. If we will not save our environment, then our next generation can't see the environment. So save environment. Thank you.
Start.
Hi, my name is Anjum, class 5th Y. My school name is Ideal Global Public School. Environment refers to the natural surroundings and conditions in which we live. Unfortunately, this environment has come under serious threat. Let us see ways of saving environment. First, First of all, planting trees should be give massive attention because these are source of oxygen. Hence, we should reduce deforestation. Second, soil conservation is powerful way of protecting the environment. Government clean the polluted land areas for waste management. Fourth, pollution is probably the biggest danger to environment. Smoke, dust, and harmful gases. Cows are pollution. Further, noise of vehicles cause noise pollution.
Start.
However, chemicals and pesticides cause land and water pollution.
Start.
Hence, our role is save our environment for all this pollution. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Pradna Sunil Kamble from Ideal Global School, Baswakalan from class 8th grade. Today I am going to share you the information of World Environment Day. Wish you happy World Environment Day. World Environment Day is held each year on June 5th. It is one of the principal vehicles to the United Nations. UN stimulate worldwide awareness of the environment and enhance political attention and action. World Environment Day was held with the theme Only One Earth. World Environment Day was established by the UN General Assembly in 1972 on the first day of the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment, resulting on the decision of the integration of human interactions and the environment. 2 years later, in 1974, the first World Environment Day was held with the theme Only One Earth. The theme for World Environment Day 2020 is Time for Nature. One of the major threats that our environment is facing today is environmental pollution, increasing with every passing year and causing grave and irreparable damage to the atmosphere. The mechanization of society, the urbanization, introduction of motorized vehicle and the explosion of human population have caused an irreparable damage to the atmosphere. Environmental disasters. 8 ways to help environment. First, use reusable plastic grocery type bags that get thrown out up in landfill or in other parts of the environment. Second, print as little as necessary. Third, recycle. Fourth, use a reusable beverage container. Fifth, don't throw your notes away. Sixth, save water. Seventh, save electricity. Eighth, avoid taking cars or carpool when possible. My conclusion to all, if we want to save the environment, then we should stop the exploitation of natural resources. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Mumtaz Begum from 8th green. I am giving the speech on Environment Day. Our Environment Day consists of natural resources like soil, water, air, etc. Plants and animals are also the part of our environment. Due to the increasing human population, environment is getting affected adversely. Lonely or unlonely, we are causing a damage to the environment. Time has came that we take necessary steps to save our environment. We need to find environment friendly technology in all aspects to our lives. For example, instead of using vehicles which run on diesel or petrol, we can use vehicle running on electricity. Thus we can avoid air pollution. Wastewater treatment plant should be brought in use so that wastewater can be reused instead of letting it into sea or river. Plastic and paper should be strictly recycled so that garbage dumps can be reduced. We need to stop soil, air and water pollution so that our environment stay clean and healthy. We need to plant more and more trees and stop cutting the forest. We need to show respect towards the other creature on earth. Let us all pledge to save environment and keep it clean and healthy. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. I am going to present a short speech on environment. Our environment consists of all living beings as well as their surrounding. A healthy environment is one that is sustainable for a long period of time. It is the source of life for everyone. It directs the life of one and determines the proper growth and the development. The good or bad quality of our environment is depend on the quality of our natural environment. Our needs for foods, water, shelters, and other things is depends on our environment around us. There must be a balanced natural cycles that exist between the environment and the life of human beings, plants, and animals. Human societies play a virtual role in degenerating the natural environment, which is affecting badly the life on this planet. Many actions of us have brought big change to this planet, increasing the demands for technology and industry in another important factor. Thank you.